This is not breaking news. This is not a scandal. This is not about one person. What you're about to witness isn't an isolated incident. It's the fault line of a system that is barely holding together, a system that just hours ago teetered on the edge. A moment inside a federal courtroom today, an ordinary courtroom by most accounts showed us the reality that we've all been avoiding. Not a slip up, not a mistake, a moment of real, undeniable, systemic failure. Imagine a former president standing in front of a judge. Asterisk, asterisk, one sentence away from incarceration. Asterisk, asterisk. It wasn't a hypothetical. It wasn't a threat. It was a stark, cold reality. One that exposed the fragility of the system meant to hold power accountable. What happened next? It was exactly what you'd expect, and also nothing like what you'd expect. But here's the thing. This wasn't a slip-up. It wasn't a breakdown. It was a test that could change everything. And it's critical you understand why. Asterisk, asterisk, we'll get to the details in a moment. But first, you need to know something. Asterisk, asterisk, this is not the story you think it is, not the one the headlines are telling you. Stay with me, we're about to go deeper. What's truly in control right now? It's not the people you see on the news. It's not the talking heads, the attorneys, or the former president himself. It's something far bigger, something that operates in the shadows, quietly, relentlessly, and with asterisk, asterisk, absolute authority, asterisk, asterisk. This is about power and the system that upholds it. A system that no longer operates on the terms we expect. A system that bends asterisk, asterisk, but doesn't break asterisk, asterisk, at least not easily. This isn't a story about a single person's defiance or a courtroom drama. This is about the slow collapse of trust in institutions, trust that's been eroding quietly for decades, power structures that have been allowed to fester unchallenged until now. You see, the spectacle in that courtroom wasn't just a breakdown of order. It was a asterisk, asterisk, reflection, asterisk, asterisk of the larger system that's quietly shifting. The law, once untouchable, is now in the midst of a realignment, and no one's quite sure where it will land. But this is just the beginning. For years, we've watched slow shifts, small changes that barely registered. But what's most dangerous is that asterisk, asterisk, we got used to them, asterisk, asterisk. It wasn't a single event, no overnight crisis. It was a gradual shift in how we view the law, authority, and power. What once felt like immovable institutions are now perhaps unknowingly under siege. Remember the old days? Courtrooms were places of order. Places where the law was not just something people talked about, but something they asterisk, asterisk believed in. Asterisk, asterisk. When a judge spoke, people listened. That was before. Now, the courtroom is just another theater for a larger game, one where the rules aren't always followed and where the idea of asterisk, asterisk, consequence, asterisk, asterisk has become a joke. What happened today wasn't the first crack in the system. It wasn't even the biggest one, but it was the loudest, the most visible, and what's most unsettling is that asterisk, asterisk, no one saw it coming. Asterisk, asterisk, then it happened. A simple statement, but the kind of statement that makes the air in a courtroom freeze. That's a complete lie, Trump said. A total fabrication. Everyone in this room knows it. The room went silent. A full asterisk, asterisk, paralyzing silence, asterisk, asterisk. Attorneys stopped taking notes. The spectators froze. Even the camera operators leaned in closer. For a moment, it was like everything paused. The judge's gaze was cold, unflinching. And when he spoke, the authority in his voice was sharp, direct. He was clear, sit down or go to jail. And Trump refused. He stood defiant, not even a step back. Asterisk, asterisk. This is no longer about a legal dispute. Asterisk, asterisk. This is a direct challenge to authority. It's no longer about the courtroom. It's about the very structure that holds it together. The question isn't whether the law will win, it's whether anyone will still listen when the law speaks. This is where it gets critical, because what happened in that courtroom isn't just about a confrontation, it's about the asterisk, asterisk mechanism, asterisk, asterisk behind it all. Here's the truth. Trump wasn't just pushing the boundaries of courtroom decorum, he was testing the very foundations of the system. Who stands to benefit from this? Not the law, not the people who seek justice. It's those who believe the system can be bent, those who know how to manipulate it. Asterisk, asterisk. And who pays the price? Asterisk, asterisk. The system itself, the integrity of the process, the belief that the law applies to everyone equally. Think about it. Every time power challenges the courts, it's not just an isolated act. It's a asterisk, asterisk fracture, asterisk, asterisk in the public's trust. The system doesn't collapse overnight, but each small, deliberate act of defiance, each test of the system pushes it a little closer to the edge. And that's what we're seeing now. The slow dismantling of the system, not by force, but by asterisk, asterisk, slow erosion, asterisk, asterisk. It didn't stop there. The tension in the room only escalated. Trump didn't just scoff and challenge. He stood. He times rose, times defiantly. The room shifted. The security team took a step forward. Every attorney tensed. This wasn't just a defiance of a judge. It was a defiance of the asterisk, asterisk, entire courtroom, asterisk, asterisk. And then the words. The judge, without hesitation, issued his command. Sit down immediately, or you will be removed and placed in a detention cell for the remainder of the proceedings. Asterisk, asterisk, detention, asterisk, asterisk. That word hit like a bombshell. In that moment, it wasn't about the trial, it wasn't about the case, it was about authority, about control. Trump's response? He didn't sit down. For 12 excruciating minutes, the courtroom was on a knife's edge. For 12 minutes, the clock ticked on each second, heavier than the last. And in that time, the entire courtroom was held hostage, not by a defendant, but by the very asterisk, asterisk idea, asterisk, asterisk of law itself. You, the viewer, you need to feel this. Imagine yourself there, watching as the system you rely on begins to crack. You're seeing it firsthand. A room built on authority, order, and trust is suddenly asterisk, asterisk, paralyzed, asterisk, asterisk. Now picture this. Trump's own attorneys, his own legal team, were forced to step in. They had to physically intervene, urging him, pulling him back from the brink. Do you understand? This wasn't just a courtroom altercation. This was a breakdown of asterisk, asterisk, basic respect, asterisk, asterisk for the law. Asterisk, asterisk, and this is where it gets personal. Asterisk, asterisk, because when the law bends for one person, it bends for all. When rules are dismissed, they're dismissed for everyone. And it wasn't just about the courtroom. What we saw today rippled far beyond those walls. The consequences stretched across not just the United States, but every nation that's ever looked to this system as a beacon of fairness, as a pillar of justice. This wasn't just a challenge to asterisk, asterisk, one judge, asterisk, asterisk. It wasn't even a challenge to the asterisk, asterisk U.S. legal system, asterisk, asterisk alone. This was a signal, a message. What happens here today? Asterisk, asterisk echoes globally, asterisk, asterisk. The integrity of the system, it's not just about us. It's about how the world watches. How they measure asterisk, asterisk, our stability, asterisk, 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 our resilience, asterisk, asterisk in the face of pressure. If a former president can stand in front of a federal judge and openly defy the law, what does that say about us, about the principles we claim to uphold? The law in America is no longer just an American issue. It's asterisk, asterisk, global, asterisk, asterisk now. And the questions only grow louder. So what's next? There are three possible paths. None of them is certain. None of them is easy. First, there's asterisk, asterisk, adjustment, asterisk, asterisk. Maybe this was a momentary lapse, a test that's now been answered. Trump complies, the system holds firm, and this trial proceeds without further disruption. The law reasserts itself quietly, but with unyielding force. Then there's asterisk, asterisk, erosion, asterisk, asterisk. Maybe this moment is just a precursor, a small fracture in the foundation that deepens over time. each act of defiance, each challenge to the system, pushing the walls further apart. Eventually, the system begins to crumble from within, slowly, subtly, and irrevocably. And then there's asterisk, asterisk, rupture, asterisk, asterisk. The worst case scenario, a full violent breakdown, a collapse of trust so deep that the system no longer holds. Power doesn't just challenge the law, it overwhelms it, reshapes it, and redefines the very rules of engagement. These aren't hypothetical scenarios. They're real possibilities. And right now, the only certainty is that asterisk, asterisk, we don't know which path we're on, asterisk, asterisk. But we will, soon enough. This isn't over. It can't be the system has been tested, the law has been pushed, and for the first time, we're seeing the cracks and just how far they stretch. But let's be clear, asterisk, asterisk, this moment, asterisk, asterisk, is not an isolated event. It's part of something much larger, something that threatens the very foundation of the rule of law. What happens next? We don't know, but we're watching it unfold. If Trump complies, maybe this trial moves forward without further disruption. If he doesn't, well, we already saw what happened when the law was tested today. But here's the one thing we can be sure of. This fight is far from over. And asterisk, asterisk, the question is no longer just about Trump, asterisk, asterisk. It's about asterisk, asterisk, what happens when the system we depend on breaks down, asterisk, asterisk. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and keep watching. The next chapter is already being written, and it will shape everything that comes after. If you want to understand what's really at stake here, hit subscribe. The story's only just beginning.